What up, everybody? This is a Mopro coming at you, and this is fixing of the car. Well, I have a little problem with this little car here, but the thing I didn't figure out, it's not just this car that has this problem. So if you have this issue, if you turn on your car, or I'm sorry, turn off your car, and you notice that your tail lights are still on, well, this is the problem right here. And what it is a switch that goes up under your dashboard that connects to your brake. So when you hit the brakes, this is supposed to push in, and that tells your tail lights to turn on the tail lights, so people can know that you're trying to stop. Okay, now what happens is sometimes these go out. I don't know, I guess you push on it too much or too many times, and eventually it just stops working. Now, I don't want you to just think it's this car only that takes this part. There's multiple cars that's out there that takes it. I know at least up to 2010, they still use this same part. And all it does is it plugs in to the connector up under your dashboard. So let me see if I can turn a light on so we can see what's going on in this dark cave, because that's what it looks like. All right, there we go. That's better. It's a little better. So here's the old one. This is what it looks like. And what it is basically, if you're doing it for a 2004 Chevy Aveo, all it is that you push in and you turn, and it locks in place with these little hooks or little flaps, I guess it's considered, on each side right here. So your best bet is to connect the wire, stick it in there, and turn it. So let me look up under here so you can see where it connects to. And if you look all the way down there, you see it right there is where it exactly connects to right there. So let's get it, and let's connect the wire, and let's put it on. So here's the new one right here. If you ever go to AutoZone, you have to get this particular part. That's it in Espanol. And there it is in English. So let's get started. Let's pull it out so you can see the difference in this one versus the old one. The old one and the new one. The new one and the old one. Yeah. All right. Okay, so here's the new one. Look how far that sticks out. You see it? Here's the old one. Look how far that one sticks out. So obviously, we already know what's the issue. So let's get this connected back, and we should be on the move. It shouldn't even take that long for this video. Alrighty, let me connect it. Okay, here it is with the wire connected. Boop, so you can see it. Now you can see where the wire is connected to. Right there. I can't even fit under there. I'm just letting you see it for yourself. See where the wire is connected right there? So now we're just going to put it back in its place, which goes right here. Oh, I get it.
Okay, we'll go lay down right now.
Okay, man. It's like at a key mode right now. I think that's it. Hold on. I think that was it. Let it go. Where's your key at? Key in the ignition?
You have the key.
Are they on?
Huh?
Are they on? Where's the... I just need the key. Oh, key right here. Are they on when I hit the brake?
They're on when you hit the brake.
Are they on now?
They're on right now.
Are they on?
They're on.
Okay, we good.
Yeah, I gotta go pack up some food for you.
What's wrong, Mama? You tired?
But he's tired. Where's your baby go? Oh, I have it. Woo-wee. I have it. Put it on your shirt.
Did they already leave yet?
Huh?
Are they already gone?
Who?
Kevin. Okay, when you finish, this is what it should look like. Ta-da! You see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Should be able to see it. I can't crawl under there to show you, but you should see the way it's connected now. Now, another way to save you some time, effort, cash, or whatever, make sure you have a second party, if not a second party, a stick to be able to push down on the brake when you lock it back in place. So, a MoPro coming at you once again. Peace on fixing of the car.